Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to make this shape. I've done it 3 different ways. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make it. They are using the arc tool set on 270 degrees. Well, actually need to change it to the other part. But what they're getting is they want this on the up and up. They want it on the flat side. You could probably get pretty close, but the best way I know, and this is by far not the easiest way to do it. What I would do is bring in an indexing line and have it snap to that note. And you saw, look at how close I got. And then double click on your rotation. I would not suggest doing this way because the other 2 ways I'm going to show you are quite a bit faster, but it'll give you an idea. And then grab that node and it should snap right to that line. So now that is even. And then of course we just go to your pen tool and make it a 1/2 inch or whatever thickness they want it. But that's how you get it to the top. The other way, which is pretty nice, and I don't care, I need to get off that mode and make a round circle. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. This is 270 degrees. Which is 90 degrees missing. So we're going to take a 2-point line from the center outwardly, and then we're going to double click on it and move the center rotation to the center. And then we're going to rotate it 45 degrees, which is half of that. Control D, and then rotate it a negative 45 degrees, which is the other side. And then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that, and then take your 2 lines away. And then take this and hit your pen tool. I'm hitting F12 just to make it easier. So there's the exact same thing, and that's going to be perfect. The other way that's kind of fun to do is, you need to set that back, I'll set it back later, is go up to Object and convert this to a curve. And what that did, that put 4 nodes. Take your shape tool, and if you select the top 3 nodes and go right here to add nodes, it's going to put nodes halfway between the 90, which is 45. Get your shape tool, grab those nodes, right click and break them apart. Get your virtual segment delete key and delete them. That fast. Get your pen tool, F12, make it a hairline or make it a 1/2 inch. We're going to go ahead and make it black so it'll stand out. Well, I didn't hit OK. There we go. Then you can make it black. And this is kind of neat to do. At this point, you could go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then you could left click and right click, and you've got that perfect shape of a 1/2 or 3/4 of a circle. So 3 ways to make that. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.